Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for all our further notifications.
Hello friends. Welcome to Purushottam Academy. In this video, we will discuss career as a microbiologist. About microbiologist. In the recent years, microbiology has created a lot of buzz and gained popularity, leading to a rush in the number of students who are looking forward to pursuing microbiology as a career. A person who specializes in the field of microbiology is called as a microbiologist. Microbiologists are regarded as scientists who play a vital role in studying organisms and infectious agents that cannot be seen with the unprotected eye. They also study the interactions of microorganisms with humans and other organisms that exist and affect our lives. Microbiologists also check the food whether it is safe or not, develop green technologies and track the role of microbes in the climate change. Eligibility to become microbiologist. In order to start a career in microbiology, students must choose PCB, Physics, Chemistry and Biology stream in class 12. The students must score at least 50% marks in class 12 to take up higher level education in the field of microbiology. Usually, there will be no entrance test for UG level courses in microbiology or biology. Subjects combination, science stream with biology as the major subject in class 12 is mandatory to take up microbiology course. Eligibility. For taking up UG level courses, BSc in microbiology, students need to pass class 12 with a minimum of 50% marks. For taking up MSc in microbiology, BSc degree in microbiology, biology, zoology, botany is mandatory. For taking up PhD or MPhil courses in the field of microbiology and associated areas, master's course is mandatory in the relevant field. Most universities conduct entrance test for master's, MPhil and PhD courses. Types of job roles. Microbiologist. Microbiologists are required for diverse jobs. The following are some of the job profiles that microbiologists can take up after obtaining the necessary skills. Research assistant. These microbiologists engage in research activities associated with microorganisms, causes for the diseases, figuring out solutions or treatment for diseases, etc. They assist higher-level researchers in varied activities in the field of science. Biomedical scientists. Biomedical scientists carry out a wide range of scientific and laboratory tests to support the diagnosis and treatment of diseases. Food technologist. The major responsibility of the food technologist is to ensure safe and efficient development, manufacture and modification of food products and processes. Pharmacologist. Usually, pharmacologists specialize in a specific field of research such as pharmacokinetics, toxicology, etc. Microbiologists can choose pharmacology as one of the subjects at the PhD level. Clinical and veterinary microbiologists. Veterinary microbiologists are veterinarians who specialize in the study of microorganisms that cause infectious diseases to animals. Industrial microbiologist. These microbiologists apply engineering and scientific principles to the processing of materials by microorganisms, plant and animal cells to create useful products or processes. Environmental microbiologist. The major responsibility of the environmental microbiologist is to study the microorganisms that exist in artificial environments such as bioreactors. Employment opportunities for microbiologists. Microbiologists are required in diverse domains in the field of science. A qualified microbiologist can get employment in the following sectors, domains, areas. Agriculture department. Chemical industries. Beverage industry. Food industry. Environmental agencies. research organizations, private hospitals, laboratories, universities, pharmaceutical industries. Students can also look for employment opportunities in government sector. For this purpose, the students must clear the recruitment exams conducted by various bodies. Top recruiting agencies for microbiologists. Here are some of the top recruiting agencies for microbiologists in India. Pfizer, Lakshmi Life Sciences Limited, The Indian Hotels Company Limited, Crowther Healthcare Limited, Alpha Pharma Healthcare India Private Limited, Siro Technology Private Limited, Mascot International. Books and study material to become microbiologist. Students pursuing courses in microbiology can refer the following books for enhancing the knowledge and for entrance exams. Microbiology, An Introduction by Gerard J. Tortora, Burdell R. Funk and Christine L. Case. Brock Biology of Microorganisms by Michael T. Madigan, John M. Martinko, Kelly S. Benter, Daniel H. Buckley, David A. Stahl and Thomas Brock. Clinical Microbiology Made Ridiculously Simple by Mark Gladwin, Bill Trattler and C. Scott Mahan. Prescott's Microbiology by Joanne Willey, Linda Sherwood and Christopher J. Wolverton. Javits Melnick and Adelberg's Medical Microbiology by Geo. Brooks, Karen C. Carroll, Janet Butel and Stephen Morse. Bailey and Scott's Diagnostic Microbiology by Patricia Tilley. Pros of becoming a microbiologist. Varied specializations in the field of biology are a boon to people associated with it. There is a lot of scope for the development of a career. Flexible working conditions. Cons of becoming a microbiologist. The highly competitive job market. Possible exposure to hazardous materials. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications.